phone. What's going on, family? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to discuss the most cost efficient, the cheapest way that you can market your company or your business. Okay, that way it's a rolling advertisement. Okay, pun intended. So today we are going to add decals to my vehicle, to the Altima. I'm gonna say our vehicle because we're a family. All right, this is how we do things around here. So we're gonna add decals to the family. That way when we're driving around, people can see the YouTube channel and they can see the Instagram page, channel, whatever it may be, and subscribe or view the channel page, whatever. All right, so all we need to get started are the following items. Okay, so we have our decals here. We have some masking tape, and that way we can hold the decals in place. We have some cleaner here, and that way we can clean the windows so the decals stick properly. And then we have a credit card. It's better to use a squeegee, but credit card works just as fine. Before we get started, make sure you guys comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now, one thing that I did forget to include were paper towels. So we have to have a way to, of course, clean the window. All right, so I'm gonna start by cleaning off the window. Add our masking tape here. We're going to make sure that the actual decal is not on the backing paper and that it is in fact on the sticky part of the paper. We don't want the decal to come off on the backing paper when we take it off. So what you want to do is pull the sticker back, make sure it doesn't come off on the backing paper. Okay. I'm going to use scissors and cut this. Okay. And then you want to slowly work from inside out, and be careful not to let this slip and fall on the window before you lay it down. Okay, so just take your time and let it work in nice and slowly. Okay. And now you got to do the other side. So you're going to take your masking tape. You're going to move it to a piece of it that has already been laid. Okay, I'm going to go there. Pull that back. Again, don't let this fall. And work your way inside out. Again, just take your time. And then you can start removing your paper. And voila. Huh? All right. Looks good. Again, this is a great way to advertise. Just driving around simply is going to get you some attention. All right, family, so this is the final product. So I did the back and I did both the windows. I think it's pretty dope. Boom. Huh? So now I can't let the windows down in the back anymore, but it's all right. I'd rather have the advertisement, okay? Again, I appreciate you guys watching the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. There may be a bubble somewhere with my face on it. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button up there, okay? And make sure you check out the other videos, like, share, and comment. You guys take it easy.